In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Clickup platform effectively using the student template. Let's begin this journey by accessing the student template by Clickup. To do this, head over to the Clickup Templates page and locate the student template. This template is a fantastic starting point that allows you to organize and manage your academic tasks efficiently. Once you're on the Templates page, click on the Student Template by Clickup to open it. Here, you will find a detailed layout designed to streamline your school assignments, class notes, and resources. Next, when you're ready to incorporate this into your workspace, simply click on Get Free Template. This action will enable you to adapt the template within your own Clickup account at no extra cost. Following that, you'll see an option labeled Use a Space Template. Click on it and proceed to name your space. You can type a relevant name that highlights the academic aspect you wish to focus on, such as semester planning or class projects. Be sure that the name is intuitive enough for you to recognize and access easily. Moving forward, click on Use Template. This function will integrate the template into your designated space within Clickup. Next, you will want to explore the template by clicking on Clickup Guider. This guider is an ideal tool to familiarize yourself with the features of Clickup and how they cater to your organizational needs. In your newly created space, you'll notice several categories such as Highlight, which you can click to explore more in-depth views of your tasks. The next step involves accessing your recent activity. Click on Your recently opened items will appear here to track what you have worked on or need immediate focus on. To deepen your understanding, click on Learn More. This will lead you to an informative section, providing additional details to leverage Clickup to its fullest potential. If there are no added documents yet, click on You haven't added any docs to this location, which will guide you on how to attach relevant files to your projects. Next, click on Docs if you want to start compiling resources or lecture notes within the space. You might want to bookmark important pages, so click on Add Bookmark. If your task involves completing Chapter 7 homework, make sure it stands out by clicking on Highlight. For organizing your academic calendar, click on Agenda items from your calendars will show here. Learn More. This will give you a more structured overview of your priorities. Revisit the Use Template process if you need to separate different semesters or projects in new spaces. Now, let's organize your folders. Click on Folders to add elements such as class assignments and class notes. Should you finish a task like reviewing Chapter 4 for your midterm, mark it by clicking Set to Closed. This action will help track your progress and maintain focus on current assignments. Finally, as you work through your tasks, remember to navigate efficiently by making use of bookmarks and templates as needed. Clickup is designed to enhance your productivity and keep all your academic necessities in one convenient place. Happy organizing with Clickup!